Hi guys, last night I made this card inchworm, as I'm calling it, designed by Brainergiser. He was calling it a paper caterpillar, Brainergiser, and the idea was it's the way you folded it makes it springy, and you blow on the back of it with a straw to compress it so it goes flat. And then when you stop blowing, it springs up again. How can we demonstrate? Push down and it moves forwards, the front of it moves forwards. And when it springs back up again, the back of it comes forwards. So down, front goes forwards, up, back comes forwards, down, up, like an inchworm. And you're doing that by pulsing breath, blowing on the back of it, pressing it down, then stopping, so it does that. And then GrandadIsAnOldMan, I can't pronounce it, I'm sorry Gianni. Anyway, he suggested trying a magnet. So I've stuck a magnet under there. In fact, I've tried several different positions, and I've tried using the magnet above, and this time I'm going to try using the magnet under the table. Oh. The only trouble is with the magnet, you can actually make it go forwards just by dragging the magnet. So I'm trying to make sure we're doing it by vertical motion being transferred to horizontal motion. It's doing it quite slowly, but it is moving. But sometimes it's moving because I've moved the magnet forwards, and sometimes it's moving with the compression. So it's not quite so clean to see how it's working as it was when I was blowing on it. I'll just show you I can move it like that, and that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do it with the compression action. I'm sure I'll get comments about what I'm actually doing under the table, but we'll leave that to the school children. So yeah, it works, but I don't like it quite as nice, don't like it quite as much as blowing on it with a straw. It's too easy to cheat, I would say. And that's not what we're trying to do. It's supposed to be that action there is making it move forwards. The idea is when it compresses, the front can slide and the back digs in a bit, so it goes that way. And then when it contracts again, the back end moves forwards. I think I've already said that, haven't I? So compresses, front moves forwards, contracts, back move forwards, compress, contract, compress, contract. That's probably not the right words. And we're doing it with magnetism, and I'm doing it from under the table. But I'm trying not to cheat it. I'm going to stop doing that because that's just going to give all the wrong ideas. That'll do. Yes, it works, but I don't like it quite as much as using air pressure. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.